Peace and God's mercy and blessing be upon you. Al-Marzouki Law Firm advocates and consultancies. We are pleased to meet you. We'll keep approaching today about medical responsibility series. These are guarantees stipulated by the law for doctors while practicing their profession and stated different instances of or exceptions for responsibility, which the legislative stipulated as exceptions of the commitments assigned to doctor. We will continue today with you our talking about guarantees stated by the medical responsibility law. The most important of these guarantees is defining of the medical mistake by the legislative, its definition showing its examples that will prevent arguing and confusion. But in truth, here the guarantee is considered as the most important. Without it, all other guarantees will be deemed as whereas ink on paper. It's a truth that the law maintained for doctors to be organized by their scientific and professional trends and principles. But who is to apply those rules, principles, and trends? Is the judge's knowledge and studies qualifying him to do so? Especially those standards and specialized technical matters and so complicated to those who are not doctors. Also, it is a continuing process. So, how those standards will be applied, except by doctors whom are experts. So, as a guarantee and maintained of doctors' right, the legislative stipulated referring any medical mistake to committees of medical responsibility to be examined. These committees are constituted of major doctors with high experience in different specializations, where complaints of medical mistakes be referred to those committees. The committee adjudicate in existing the medical mistake or not, and showing definitely damages resulted from this mistake. It's a truth that judgment in the end must be issued by the judge, but always and temporarily judges issue their judgments, relying on the reports of those medical committees. So they are the technical judges and authorized and delegated to show medical mistakes. That means that legislative guaranteed for doctors, when searching the responsibility, not only to be trailed according to their considered principles and stipulated rules, but legislative guaranteed for those principles to be applied by professors whom have high experience in their specializations. That means that reports of medical responsibility became in the authority of doctors themselves. Not only the above said, but the legislative maintained other guarantee for doctor. The doctor had the right to follow the stipulated way according to his rule discretion. Even he violated others in same specialization, provided that those ways comply scientific principles. By this text, we find that the legislative maintained all guarantees for doctors to practice their profession in freedom and faith, and justify, in the same time, prosecuting doctor on his mistake. To this extent, our episode has ended. May you be forever under God's care. Our motto always is, right is never being lost, as long as someone is seeking it. This is a legal counselor by Muhammad Al-Marzouki Law Firm. Thank you.